Fifth grade parents, this is Mrs. Pritchard. I'm just kind of giving you a weekly update on what's been going on in the classroom. And I know a lot of parents have questions about what your children should be doing on those remote learning days when they're not in school. So I just kind of wanted to give you a message so that you know what they should be doing. One quick thing is a lot of parents have asked about Google Classroom. We were informed by the district for the first 3 weeks, so probably up until September 21st, we're not doing anything on Google Classroom yet. So right now we're just kind of getting the kids on when they're in the classroom and getting used to it. So if we do have to go remote, they'll know how to navigate that. So anything we send home on those remote days, I will be putting in their agenda so you know what they have for homework, and then it'll be in the black binder that we send home each night. So for this week, we have started our novel. So it's going to be Night of the Spadefoot Toads. So if I have your kiddos tomorrow and Friday, this will be something that we will be reading. And so a lot of times we've been reading in class, but when they're not with me, they're going to be responsible to do some reading. So this week, the homework on those remote days is they will be reading chapters 4 and 5 in their Spadefoot Toad book. And then they'll also be working on a context clue page. So we're trying to log new vocab and use context clues from the text to try to figure out the meaning. So I believe there's like 2 new benchmark words that they'll be logging, and they have that in their black binder, or they will. And another thing for ELA I want them to be working on is I gave them their veggie book, which is kind of like their early leveled book. And a lot of them, we've also been talking about a power goal or target that they want to work on. So they should have, so this is just an example. So this is a book, so it's a purple leveled book. And this should be a book that's at their level, a good fit. They should read independently. And so this week on their off days, I just want them to read independently. They should be reading like 25 to 30 minutes, at least every day or every other day to kind of start out with. And those that are coming tomorrow, I will be doing this with you. So that's what they're working on in ELA. Math is a little bit harder because we're just getting into like the procedures and routines of this new math, iReady. So we've been kind of working this packet in class, getting the routine down. And so they might have some problems to do in that packet, but I needed to collect that to kind of look at how they've been doing. And so their homework for math, they're just going to do this kind of multiplication. I know it's kind of hard to see, sorry, a multiplication kind of scramble of their math facts, because the first unit we're going to be doing involves volume and multiplying. So it's just a quick way to review those facts. So I just wanted to give you a heads up again that math will be coming once we get started in the first unit, and to please check their agenda to see what they should be working on. But I'll try every Wednesday to kind of shoot out a video so you know like what should they be working on those off days, and just keeping you informed when we do go to Google Classroom so you know to check that. I can invite you to that and just kind of put you at ease, because I know that this year is different and we're all still learning. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, but I'm hoping this helps and gives you some direction and that your kids are telling you the truth about what they need to do. So those of you I won't see, have a great weekend. Some of you I will see you tomorrow. Thanks.